Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Nunchuk Wallet application. So let's get started. First of all, open your Nunchuk application from your app drawer. You will then see the login interface where you'll need to type in your email and password. If you don't remember your password, tap on the Forgot Password link and follow through the password reset process. You can also continue logging in as a guest by tapping on Continue as Guest at the bottom. To sign in with your primary key, tap on Sign in with Primary Key and follow the prompts. If you want to sign in with email and password, go ahead and type in your email address in the first text box at the top. Once done, head over to the next field and type in your password. Finally, tap on Sign in and you will be able to log into your Nunchuk Wallet account. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.